Hey everybody, Rody here at Bonnyville Dodge, here to show you a 2019 Jeep Wrangler Unlimited Sahara that we made a few modifications to. So here we have the 2019 Jeep Sahara Unlimited. In the steering wheel, you've got your cruise control buttons here, as well as your adaptive cruise control, so you can set that, and as you move up onto traffic, it'll actually actively slow you down and keep pace with the flow of traffic until you change lanes. And then it increases to your cruising speed, and you're back in business right there. Looking to the other side of the steering wheel, you do have your control options for the in-cluster dash here, as well as your hands-free and voice recognition buttons as well. We still have power locks and power mirrors in the door handle here, but you'll notice your power windows are in the center stack here. This 2019 Jeep Sahara Unlimited is equipped with the 2.0 liter 4-cylinder turbo option, and with that it does come with the engine start-stop capability as well. You can shut it off pretty easily with that button right there. You also have the button that controls your park sensors as well as your hill descent in there, along with all your climate options going through here, anywhere from your heated seats to your rear defrost, heated steering wheel is all up in there. It does come equipped with the Uconnect Touchscreen as well, which does have satellite radio with a 1-year free trial. It also has the Uconnect Sirius XM Guardian system, which is great if you're ever in need of an emergency. You have your assist and SOS buttons up there if you need roadside assistance, or it is an emergency and you need emergency services. But the Sirius XM Guardian system also allows you to remote start the vehicle from your phone, send navigations if you have navigation as an option in the vehicle, which this one does. If we go back down into your stack here, you also have all your USB ports, as well as your USB fast charge ports and auxiliary, as well as another power supply right here for your 12-volt DC. It does come equipped with an 8-speed transmission as well. And then right here, we've got your control for your transfer case. In the Jeep Sahara, it does come equipped with a center console as well. That is lockable here. Let's give you a little shot of the lock. We also have USB ports in there as well. But first, let's take a little peek around to the back seat. Moving around to the back seat from the passenger side, you'll see it does come equipped with leather seats in the back as well. Got a nice little flip down cup holder in the middle seat there. Nice thing in the 2019 Jeep Wrangler Unlimited Sahara, heat in the back seats. You know, this wasn't always an option in the Jeeps. You also have your Windows controls, as well as your USBs, power ports back here as well. You do have the 115 volt back here. You can plug right in there. Alright, we'll flip the seats down here, show you just how easy that is. We do have a storage bag back here for if you need to, for when you take off your doors. You can store them right behind you here. And they'll show you right here that this Jeep comes equipped with the soft top one touch power sliding roof as well. Actually, maybe let's start this thing up, see how this thing works. Okay, so I'm back in the driver's seat of the 2019 Jeep Wrangler Unlimited Sahara, and you can see I've got the soft one-touch power roof on top of me right here. Hit the button. I know some people are into sports cars, convertibles, stuff like that. Some people are into Jeeps. Well, you can be into both right now. So you might notice right off the bat that this 2019 Jeep Wrangler Unlimited Sahara stands a little taller than the rest. And that's because we've got a Mopar 2-inch lift in here, along with some 20-inch blacked out Ultra Phantasm rims, some Nitto Terra Grapplers in there as well, lifting it up a little more. Another customization we got on this one is this beautiful black vinyl hood decal, the 1941 hood decal on there as well. Great headlights in these new Jeeps. We go around, do have the color match fenders, makes it look super clean. This bright white really pops out. You do have the enter and go technology, so as long as you have the keys on you, you can lock it up super easy with the press of the button, as well as just grab it and unlock just as easy. We also have the color match top in there as well. We've got a matching fifth wheel on the back, so if you ever need to change it out, all four are going to match. And it is a 4-door as well. Let's just get one more shot of this roof here on top. It does have the power one-touch roof on here as well. It's a great looking unit. I highly recommend coming down to Bonnyville Dodge and checking this one out as soon as you can. Alright, thanks for taking a quick look at the 2019 Jeep Wrangler Unlimited Sahara with me. If you have any question about any of the accessories or the unit itself or any of the other units that we have on the lot here at Bonnyville Dodge, please visit our website, www.bonnyvilledodge.com. You can hit the chat button. You'll actually be talking to me or any one of the sales team here at Bonnyville Dodge, or you can just give us a call. 780-826-2999. That's Bonnyville Dodge, where we're family owned and community driven.